out here with the diversity team. We're about to host another high school assembly. Yeah, get more!
I thought it was tremendous, inspiring, a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, crowd participation. I think they truly understood the message. I think it's something that's going to resonate with them for a long time to come.
To battle racial and gender-related issues.
I thought it was very interesting. I learned a lot and it really opened my eyes.
Really eye-opening, and I thought it taught a lot of people a lot, especially me.
I thought it was amazing. I think they don't get a lot of opportunity to talk about this subject, even though it's everywhere around them. And the fact that you broke it down and gave them examples, real life, I thought was really a great thing. And I think that it's very timely in all the things that are going on in the world today.